Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And as you can see, it is pouring rain and we got the trailer hooked up here and we're gonna go pick up another project. So I gotta go grab the winch here and I'm just gonna meet the driver in Olds. I got it shipped from Grand Prairie, so he just headed to Calgary, so he's just gonna meet me there in the parking lot and we'll unload it from his trailer and winch it onto ours. So we're just gonna grab the winch here and head out.
Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, okay, maybe a little bit. I guess there's not much I can do. Did you want me to get in it? But the steering's locked. It's not going to do much. It's usually my job. I get to sit in the vehicle. But I won't do much if it's locked up. Oh my god. Broken. Keeps getting water on the camera.
What's that? Oh no.
Oh. It's a little tipsy right now. Keep going, Dan.
I didn't think she would go down that much.
That's okay. My winch is kind of dang there. Like I'm gonna have to move the winch. I might just pull ahead a little bit.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then I might, I might put it on the other way if I can get it to neutral.
So sketchy. Oh my god. Come look at this, Dan. That is the sketchiest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at it from the front. It's like hanging off the trailer. Company truck looks like the logos are taken off the...
We know how to load a truck.
Solid loading skills right here. How do you do it? This is... Okay.
I can't just walk it.
Oh my god. Probably. If you asked him very nicely. Oh my gosh, those are so bad. Beautiful.
Can't believe we didn't bring any. Okay, just unhook the trailer.
My hands are like
It's
going
definitely
numb.
rolled.
Yeah.
I was thinking it wasn't, but it's definitely rolled.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's the air can? Alright, we're gonna have to turn that heat on in the truck.
The heated seats are gonna be really nice.
Okay, is that winch tight?
Yep.
Yeah, hands and keys.
Yep.
Parking lot stand.
Oh my goodness.
Check the oil and tire stand up.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, yeah.
It's hard to check the oil when it's up. Yeah, it's good.
It's fine. Start it up. See it?
No, these booster cables will do it though.
Yeah, probably not. We could try. If you want. Good.
Now I can hook it back.
Yeah, for the second time.
Yeah, we could have started out. We could just take her to town.
Yeah.
Take the window right out of it and then.
Go for a little drive. Right on the rims. Be awesome.
Alright.
Awesome. Here,
Here we are.
I'll hop in.
Can you see through the window?
Not really, a little tiny bit.
It hasn't rained in like what, a month, and it.
The one day it's not really that dry, but.
All right, we're going on here now. Finally, definitely should have brought a couple other wheels. So close. Hopefully our battery doesn't die. Alrighty, so we just made it back to the farm here, and I'm gonna try to put some air in these tires. I might just take them off and bead blast them maybe. I think I can get air in the tires, so they actually don't look like they're ripped, but yeah, it was kind of a nightmare getting this thing on here. I wish I would have brought two rims with me, because it would have made life a lot easier, but anyways, I think I can actually just boost this thing and just drive it right off the hoist, or drive it right off the trailer there. But I'm just gonna try to get some air in these tires and then either roll it off or drive it off if I can get it to run. Alright, it's got the wheels filled up here and they actually are holding air, so that should be good just to roll around the yard anyways. But I got the booster cables on it here and just gonna try starting it. Of course it starts pouring rain again, but hopefully the batteries are super dead, so not sure if it'll even start up here, but quite. I'll give it another 10 minutes on the charger here and hope it'll fire up there. All right, let's give it another try here. Oh yeah, there she goes. Woohoo! Nice. Sounds pretty good. I checked all the fluids and everything before I started it up here. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Ah, I can just take this thing to town now. That's all to go. Should be good to go. I wonder if I can fix that hood. It's actually, I think this might be okay. Take it for a little drive, I guess. Shut this thing off. Yeah, let's go for the first drive. A slight window problem, but it's no problem at all. Park brakes on. Nice. Let's take her for a little spin. Oh god, slight rubbing. Slight rubbing on here. Yeah, it should be good. So I'm gonna go just park in the shop here overnight and let it dry off, I guess. A little bit of water inside, so you can see, and then I can get rid of this front windshield. Yeah, it's a pretty man rig. Only 5,611K. I was in four-wheel drive, that's why it was so shitty to do. Shift to neutral. Oh, it's got a full tank of gas. Even better. Nice. Right on. Alrighty, so I got the truck in the shop here, and I'm just gonna cut the front window out of it so I can go take it for a little bit of a drive here. So I was just looking at it. The roof. Look at the roof on this thing. It's pretty tacoed. But yeah, I'll just cut this front windshield out, and then I can actually drive it around the yard and actually see. So I'm gonna use this window cutter tool and cut this thing out of here.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And I also picked up these new takeoff rims, which actually they're pretty sweet for a stock Chevy rim. I might actually just get they can buy like just the black Chevy logo for here for the caps, and you know, maybe might get different tires. I don't know, we'll see, but I don't mind this setup right now actually. Alrighty, so I threw on the other new wheels here, and they actually looks pretty good. Digging these wheels. Probably hard to see because it's getting kind of dark here, but yeah, actually took this thing for a little bit of a drive. Everything drives pretty good. I think the frame's actually good, but I'm thinking I'm actually going to do a short box swap on this truck. So I found a silver short box for this thing, and then he also has a frame off of a burnt truck, so might do that, but I haven't decided yet. So but yeah, like, leave your comments down below if you think I should short box it or what I should do with it exactly. But I also have a brand new cab, or not a brand new cab, but another cab on a truck that's been has some front end damage, so I'm probably going to buy that cab and then buy the silver box, and then I'm gonna need one fender for sure, That fender's okay. It's got a little ding right here. This hood may be salvageable. I'm not too sure yet. It's a little twisted here, but I think we can probably save this hood. Probably just buy one new fender. And then I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with the front end. Maybe I'll put a high country grill in it or something like that. Probably just for now, I'll just kind of fix it. I don't really know, but yeah, gonna have lots of work to do on this one. And but yeah, it should be a pretty nice truck once we get it all finished up here. And yeah, leave all your thoughts down below and let me know what I should do to this thing. So thanks for watching and tune in for the next one. Peace.